This is my 2011 bike check. It's a nitrous piston. Don't worry about that because I was trying to take it off. And it was like wicked impression. It's a name of a club and stuff of cars. So it didn't last long, so I'm trying to get it peel off. I don't know, some kind of soon, whatever. And I got new parts for it. I got new Diamondback grippers and a donut. And I got these parts at Dan Comps, especially these. You will know my one pedal is missing. So I got a S and M seat clamps. Pretty nice. Got that out Dan Comp too. I'm getting these new tires, white walls tires, so it'll look a lot better. But I don't have them yet. So I got these new Valcats gold. I'm turning this bike into a like reddish, like how it is right now. So I'm gonna have a red and gold, almost like that color, is almost like a maroon color. So I'm gonna use it like a maroon and gold because I live in Millsburg for school. So yeah, I missed a pedal, so I broke it. This is my workshop. All the tools I use to fix bikes. And this is my pedal that I broke a couple days ago. Tell me what's missing. Yeah. That. That broke off. Right there. That was kind of weird. That was my first time broke a first kind of pedal. A metal pedal. But right here is plastic, but this is a metal and it's plastic. I kinda like plastic better than metal because they don't really last long, and after you have to replace the grease, they start squeaking. But these don't. That's what I like. So hope you guys like it. Subscribe and see what you got to get for like your new bikes for Dan Comps. Thank you.